I am feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Feeling myself. I forgot how much I love doing just a nice full glam. Like I forgot. Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve a classic soft glam makeup look. So I'm talking about the full coverage, full everything, just a classic soft glam look. So if you are interested in how I achieve today's look, then just continue to watch. Alright sis, so I have my brows already done. We're gonna move on to, actually I'm gonna put primer on first and then we're gonna move on to our eyes. Whenever I'm doing a soft glam and I'm doing some eyeshadow on my eyes, I like to do my eyes first before I go in with my foundation and everything. So I am gonna go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. And I'm doing this just because I want the primer to really settle into my skin before I go in with the product. So while I'm doing my eyeshadow, this will be really just soaking into my skin. Alright, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing on my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in the shade Honey. And I'm using this to prime my lids. We want a nice even canvas, and my lids are a bit dark, so I like to even it out with some concealer. I'm just taking a flat brush to blend it out. Alright, so eyeshadow of choice today is the Catrice 5 in a Box eyeshadow palette. I featured this in my, I believe it's the drugstore starter kit video. I featured this, but I only used that orange shade. I didn't make a look using this palette, so that's what I'm going to do today in this video and just create a nice soft glam. So these shades are honestly perfect soft glam shades. As you can see, you have your dark brown, you have your orange, and you have any type of shimmer shade to choose from. You have a neutral shade. I really love this palette, guys, so I'm excited to try it out today. So I'm taking my e.l.f. blending brush. This is just a standard fluffy blending brush. We're going to be using this as our transition color, and I am going to take that orange shade as my transition color today. And I'm going to pack this shade on first and then blend it out. I'm just gonna blend out the edges. I really like this palette, guys. The pigments are super pigmented, like it's coming, it's giving. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a more tapered, pointed blending brush. I'm gonna use this as my crease color, and this is gonna go directly in that crease where the fold is. I'm gonna dip into the dark brown shade as my crease color. We're just gonna pack it on first in the outer V of my eye. Alright, so now that I got that brown shade here in the outer V, I'm gonna dip back into the orange shade and take my e.l.f. fluffy brush, dust off the excess, and we're going to blend that crease color out. I'm actually going to bring the brown in my inner crease as well. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe and just carve out my crease. Now I'm going to go in with that nude shade here, and I'm just going to apply it to the place I just cut my crease. And I forgot to mention, I'm taking just a really flat brush to apply it. All right, so that line here, I'm just gonna take my crease color brush. I didn't put any product on, but we're just going to blend those two shades together. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. liquid liner and just create a natural wing liner. I need a new eyeliner, guys. If you recommend any, let me know in the comments below, but I do need a new one. All right, sis, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I'm gonna apply my lashes and then we're gonna move on to our complexion. All right, sis, so I have my lashes on. We're moving on to complexion. I'm gonna take my Revlon Color Stay Skin Awakening Concealer. This has been my go-to, guys. And I'm just going to conceal my dark circles. I love this because it's full coverage, guys. It's full coverage. It literally conceals my dark under eyes. I don't have to worry. And I also use it to kind of spot correct as well. Just gonna blend that out. All right, for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Catrice True Skin Foundation. This is a hydrating foundation, but it does finish in a nice soft matte finish. I'm gonna take the back of my sponge and just blend it out. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in the shade Honey. And then going back in with my sponge to blend it out. All right, to highlight, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Banana Setting Powder, and we're just going to set all of our highlighted areas. So for contour today, I'm gonna powder contour. I'm not gonna do a cream contour, but I'm gonna go in with my NYX Contour Palette. You guys have seen this countless times on my channel, and I'm just going in with this shade here. All right, for my all over powder, I'm gonna go in with my Nude by Nature Radiant Loose Powder Foundation and just a big fluffy brush, and we're just going to apply this all over. All right, I'm gonna quickly move back to eyes. I'm gonna take my Annabelle retractable eyeliner and just apply this to my waterline. Then I'm gonna go back into the Catrice palette and take that dark brown shade here, and we're just gonna sweep that along the bottom lash line. I'm not gonna bring it all the way to the inner corner. I'm just going to kind of go halfway. For mascara, I'm going in with my Ardell Faux Mink mascara. So moving back to complexion, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Berry. This is a nice soft glam, guys. Very full coverage, but really natural soft glam. I haven't done this in a while, so kind of feeling myself. All right, for highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Essence Pure Nude Highlighter Palette. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna take this, what do I wanna do? I'm gonna take this shade right here, and we're going to use that as our highlighter today. All right, moving on to lips. I'm gonna go in with my Kiss New York lip liner in chocolate. And then for lips, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Pout Balm. This is in the shade Candy. And then to finish up everything, I'm gonna just spray my face with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set Spray. This one sprays out too harsh. I am feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. I forgot how much I love doing just a nice full glam. Like I forgot. I don't know. My passion is coming back, guys. It's slowly coming back. Slowly but surely. We lost it for a bit, but it looks like it's back. All right, sis. So that completes this full glam, this full soft glam makeup look. I am loving how everything came out. I need to do more of these. If you guys like this video, let me know. Give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you want me to do more full glams like this, because I'm actually really liking this. So yeah, let me know. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.